Streaming on Twitch sounds epic, until OBS pops up and your brain short circuits. Stick with me, I'll make it easy. First, check your gear. You'll need a decent computer, think gaming PC, not your grandma's laptop, a strong internet connection, wired is way better than Wi-Fi, and a microphone. Webcam is optional, but hey, the people love a face. Next, sign up or log in at twitch.tv. Head to your creator dashboard, snag your stream key, copy it, but don't show it off. That key is your secret handshake. Now download OBS Studio from obsproject.com. Install it, open it up, and let the auto configuration wizard work its magic. Time to connect OBS to Twitch. In OBS settings, pick Twitch, then either log in or paste your stream key. Click apply, boom, you're linked. Set up your scenes, click the plus sign, name it something fun, add sources, game, mic, webcam, whatever you want, drag, drop, resize. Easy as stacking Legos. Before you go live, test your audio, double check your settings, and make sure your game actually shows up. Done? Hit start streaming, you're officially live.